The farmers market located in Eugene, Oregon's downtown is very cool. Lots of people here. I purchased some unfiltered honey there and a nice healthy drink. Whatever you want, they have organic, a lot of healthy stuff. Pretty cool. I really enjoyed it. And if you're ever in Eugene, go check this place out. It's free unless you buy something, of course. And it's in downtown, very easy to get to.
Skinner Butte. I always want to say Skinner Butte.
Hey everyone, make sure that you park at Skinner Butte Park, the park itself, if you want to hike up. Don't listen to Google Maps, it'll take you all the way to the top, and yeah, just don't do that unless you want to.
It's a little warm. This is supposed to be a basic hike, guys. Throw a little bit of a video together. No GoPro, just my iPhone Pro Max. Nice up here. Couple, I want to say teenagers, but dude had a receding hairline. So my thing is, I remember being a teenager. You know, I did things I wasn't supposed to do, of course. Said things that probably weren't right. One thing I always did, though, maybe it was my grandmother instilled in me, I don't know. If I saw kids, certain conversations, I'd shut it down. Even my language, till those kids were past. Because kids are innocent. Leave them that way. The world will be a reality check on kids as they get older. But give them that time. That's one big squirrel. One thing about it, I'm hiking down, so I'll have to hike back up, is that Google Maps told me to park up here. It's half the battle, man. I wanted to hike up it and check it out. Whatever, we're gonna get a workout. I'm gonna hike down and then hike up.
I want to apologize for the audio. I didn't realize it was so loud with my iPhone Pro 12. Sounds like I'm eating something. It's actually me walking. Granted, my foot's a little heavier because I'm, well, walking downhill. The hike itself, whether up or down, is not a very difficult hike. Most people could do this hike. So go check it out.
done around the park. Let's go up.
So the Saturday market in Eugene was pretty cool to go to. All types of food, music, a collection of various things. Kind of remind me of the 70s in a way. I wasn't I was an adult in the 70s. It was pretty cool. I really enjoyed it. It's really big too if you come down. Killer Burgers hamburgers were pretty decent. I was very hungry after all the hiking and biking, so it worked. I appreciate every one of you watching my videos, and thank you very much.